ever worked so hard on something, like a killer blog post, a podcast ad, or even just like an important email, and then crickets. No response, no engagement. It's like talking into a void.
Yeah.
And you know what? I have a sneaking suspicion that a lot of the time it comes down to a weak call to action.
Oh,
That thing it's supposed to bridge the gap between, interesting, and sign me up.
it's huge. Yeah.
And guess what? We've got a mountain of notes here all about crafting CTAs that really sing.
Oh, nice.
And honestly, it feels like someone finally wrote the persuasion playbook.
Absolutely. It's amazing how many people just slap a button on a page and hope for the best.
Right. So for those of us who didn't go to marketing school, what makes a CTA more than just like a button?
It's really about understanding what makes people tick. You're not just asking someone to do something.
Right.
You're appealing to their deeper motivations.
Ooh, get all psychological on me.
A little bit, yeah. And these notes actually break down what they call the psychology of yes.
Okay, now you've got my attention.
So think about this. Have you ever seen one of those limited time offer messages and felt that little jolt of urgency?
Oh, 100%. Like suddenly I need to buy all the things before they're gone.
Exactly. That's the scarcity principle at work.
Scarcity, right?
Our brains are hardwired to hate missing out. It's why concert tickets sell out in minutes.
So it's not even about the product necessarily. It's that fear of missing out, right?
Plays a huge role. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, what else is hiding in our brains that we need to know about?
All right, think about this. You're looking for a new restaurant to try.
Always.
Are you more likely to pick the one with 5-star reviews or the one with no reviews?
Reviews all the way. If other people love it, it must be good. Right?
Exactly. That's the power of social proof.
Makes sense, yeah.
We're naturally drawn to things that other people already approve of.
So we're not as independent as we like to think we are, huh?
Not really. We're social creatures. We look to each other for cues.
Fascinating stuff. Okay, I need to know more. What other psychological ninja moves are we talking about here?
All right, this one is super interesting. Ever do someone a favor and they're like super grateful. And then you kind of feel like, well, maybe I should do something nice for them now.
Oh, totally. Like returning the favor.
Yeah. Psychologists actually have a name for that, the reciprocity principle.
Fancy.
And you see it, or a bonus gift when you buy something.
Oh, yeah. It totally works on me.
Because it creates that subtle sense of obligation.
Like you have to reciprocate.
Exactly. Even if it's just signing up for something.
Wow. It's crazy how much psychology goes into this stuff.
Right. And then this one is a little less about psychology and more about just keeping things simple.
Okay, I like simple.
It's the principle of clarity. Like, have you ever tried to follow instructions that were just super confusing?
Ugh, the worst.
And you just give up?
Every time. Just tell me what to do.
Exactly. And with CTAs, it's the same thing. People are busy. They're bombarded with information.
Right.
If it's not crystal clear what you want them to do,
I'm going to click away.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got scarcity, social proof, reciprocity, and clarity. It's like a whole toolkit for persuasion.
It is, but there's actually like a whole other layer to this.
Oh no, I'm already overwhelmed.
Yeah, this part is fun because just like there are different ways to persuade someone, there are also different types of CTAs, you know?
Okay, so it's not one size fits all.
Not at all. Different CTAs for different goals, right?
Wait, this is getting... Give me the lowdown on these different CTA flavors.
Okay, so first up, you've got your classic direct CTA. These are the ones that are like super straightforward.
Like buy now.
Exactly. Or download today, get started, you know, no messing around, just pure action-oriented language.
Got it.
But then let's say you're not quite ready to buy, but you're curious, you want to learn more.
Okay.
That's where indirect CTAs come in.
Ooh. Tell me more about those.
So instead of going straight for the sale, they're more about piquing your interest.
Okay.
So something like learn more or discover the benefits.
Sneaky? I like it.
It's about drawing them in, you know?
Get them invested.
Exactly.
Ooh. Okay, what about those CTAs that are all about getting you to share things on social media?
Yes, those are our social CTAs, and they're all about leveraging that social proof we talked about.
Right, because if everyone else is sharing it,
it must be good. So you see things like tell a friend or share this post.
Join the community.
Exactly.
Okay, those make sense. Now, what about those ones that are like, this offer expires at midnight?
Ah, yes, the urgent CTA.
Those always get me.
Right. They create that FOMO, that fear of missing out.
So good.
Limited time offers, flash sales. You know, gotta act fast.
Yeah, like don't overuse it.
Exactly. You don't want to be that guy, crying wolf all the time.
Right, totally.
Yeah.
Okay, what about that last one we had in the notes? Something about value.
Oh, right. Value-based CTAs. So it's not just about telling people to do something. It's about highlighting what they'll get out of it.
Right.
So instead of just download now, it's get your free guide.
Oh, I see.
Or instead of sign up, it's start your free trial today.
Right. It feels so much more enticing when you put it that way.
Yeah, you're speaking directly to their needs and desires.
Okay, so we've got all this psychology stuff. We've got different types of CTAs. It's like building a whole persuasion arsenal here.
It is, kind of.
But then what about the nitty-gritty? Like the actual words you use in a CTA or how it looks on the page.
Oh, yeah, the devil's in the details.
What are we looking for there?
So one of the simplest but most effective things is using strong active verbs.
Okay, give me an example.
Like, start your journey is way more compelling than just click here.
Oh, yeah, it's like way more powerful.
Right. And we talked about urgency.
Mm-hmm.
But again, gotta use it carefully. You don't want to annoy people with fake deadlines.
Yeah, nobody trusts that. What about the visual side of things? Like, does that matter?
Oh, huge. Think about it. A button that really POPs.
Right?
Or using colors that contrast so it really grabs your attention.
It's true. We're visual creatures.
Totally. And then this one's huge. Personalization.
Oh, yeah, like those ads that are like, for people who love podcasts.
Exactly. If it feels relevant to you, you're way more likely to pay attention.
It feels almost manipulative, but in a good way.
It's about speaking their language. And
Yeah.
then, I know we've said it before,
Mm-hmm.
but the most important thing is to test, test, test.
Always be experimenting.
Exactly. Because what works for one audience might not work for another.
Makes sense. So really, it's all about understanding your audience.
100%.
This has been so eye-opening. I feel like I can spot a cleverly crafted CTA a mile away now.
That's the goal. It's like once you see the matrix, you can't unsee it.
Exactly. All right. Well, huge thanks, too, for breaking down all of this marketing magic.
Anytime.
Yeah.
It's been fun.